Good morning, students. How are you? I hope everyone is fine. Students, I like to ask one question. If you want to buy chocolate, what do? You ask your parents or you go to the shop and buy the chocolate. How do you get the chocolate? You have to pay the money and get the chocolate. To buy anything, we have to pay money. Without money, we cannot get anything. Money is the very important one in the day-to-day life. Today we are going to learn the lesson money. Take your GK book, lesson 17, page number 24. Lesson 17, page number 24. First exercise. Fill in the blanks using a word from the help box given below. The first one has been done for you. Here we are going to learn some words related to money. First one. I have enough money to buy this book. I can dash to buy this book. I can afford to buy this book. Afford in the dash. Afford means able to. I can afford to buy this means afford means I am able to buy this book. Afford, able to. Second one, the system of money used in USA is the dollar. The dash of USA is the dollar. We are going to choose and write. The USA money is called as dollar. The dash of USA is the dollar. The currency of USA is dollar. What is Indian currency? How do we call Indian money? That currency is called as Indian currency is called as rupees. That Saudi Arabian currency is called as riyal. Have you understood? The American currency is called as, American means United States of America. USA money is currency is called as dollar. In the dash, write currency. Second one answer is currency. Third one. These jeans are being sold at a lower amount than the price. These jeans are being sold as a dash. The actual price, the actual price is 100 rupees. The shopkeeper sold it as 80 rupees or 90 rupees means it is called as discount. Third one answer is discount. Fourth one, we pay the government an amount of money from what we earn. We pay the government a dash. Everyone have to pay the money what we earn. From what we earn, we have to pay the government dash. What it is called? Tax. T-A-X, tax. We have to pay the tax. Fifth one, we can use an ATM machine to take away money from our bank accounts. We can use an ATM machine to dash money from our bank accounts. We are taking money from the ATM machine. It is called as withdraw. Withdraw money. Taking money is withdrawing money. In the dash write withdraw. W-I-T-H-D-R-A-W, withdraw. Fifth one answer is withdraw. Sixth one, the amount of money expected for this puzzle is 20 rupees. The dash of this puzzle is rupees 20. In the dash write price. The puzzle rupees 20. It is called as price of this puzzle. In the dash write price. P-R-I-C-E. Seventh one, people who work get a regular payment every month. People who work get a dash. We work and every month we get money. How is it called? It is called a salary. Salary. S-A-L-A-R-Y. Salary. Eighth one. Mira scored high marks and was given money to support her education. Mira was given a dash. Mira scored high marks and was given money to support her education. Mira, a girl, scored high marks in the test and she was given money to support her education. It is called a scholarship. We also getting some students get scholarship. Eighth one answer is scholarship. Once again, first one afford, second one currency, third one discount, fourth one tax, fifth one withdraw, sixth one price, seventh one salary, eighth one scholarship. Section B, circle the one that does not match in each group. We are going to circle the odd one. It doesn't match the other answers. First one, denominations of rupee notes used in India. What are the rupee notes we have in India? Read the answers. Rupees 10, rupees 15, rupees 20, rupees 50, rupees 100, rupees 500 and rupees 2000. We have the rupee notes. 10 rupee note is there, 20 rupees note is there, 50 rupees note is there, 100 is there, 500 is there and 2000 is there, but we don't have rupees 15. No 15 rupee note. We have to circle the answer rupees 15. Second one, coins used in India today. What are the coins we have in India? Find the answers. 1 rupee coin is there, 2 rupee coin is there, 3 rupee coin. Do we have 3 rupee coin? No 3 rupee coin. Circle that. 5 rupee coin is there, 10 is there. The odd one, which is not there, 3 rupee coin. Circle 3 rupee. Third one, rich. The related words we are going to find the odd one, different one. Rich, wealthy also rich. Needy, prosperous, well off. Prosperous means enough money. Well off also we have enough money. Wealthy means rich. But needy means we have need money. We are in need of money. Needy is the answer. This answer only not matching here. Circle the word needy. Fourth one, earn. Earn. What is mean by earn? If you do some work, we earn some money. If you do anything, we get some money, means it is called earning. Earn. We get something. Earning. What is not matching here? Earning. Bring in, collect, gain. Bringing means we are getting something. Collect, we are collecting. We are getting. Gain means this also we earn something. What is not matching here? Spend. Spend means opposite of earn. Earn means we are getting. Spend means we are giving. Spend. Understood? Circle the word spend. Fifth one, currency. What are the currencies here? Dollar, pound, euro, rupee. What is different here? Disc. D-I-S-C. Disc. Circle the word disc. Look at the next page. Exercise C. Exercise C. Match the currency notes to the color you see on the. We are going to find out the color of the rupee notes. First one, 5 rupee note. What is the color of 5 rupee note? What is the color? Find out. Answer is B, green. 5 rupee note. Answer is B, green. Then 10 rupee note. What is the color of 10 rupee note? Chocolate brown. Answer is C, chocolate brown. 20 rupee note. What is the color of 20 rupee note? Orange red. Answer is D, orange red. Fourth one, 50 rupee note. What is the color of 50 rupee note? Fluorescent blue. What is the color of 50 rupee note? Fluorescent blue. Answer is A. 5 rupee note, green color. 10 rupee note, chocolate brown. 20 rupee note, orange red. 50 rupee note, fluorescent blue. 4, 1, 2, 3. Next, exercise D. Calculate the least number of notes or coins you need to exactly make the following amounts of money. One has been done for here. One exercise is given. One example are given. One example is given. You are going to find the other answers. Do as homework. This one, do as homework. Exercise E, write true or false. We can use 3 7 rupee notes to make up 20 rupees. Can we make 3 7 rupee notes with 21 rupee? Can we do? Do we have 7 rupee note? No, we don't have 7 rupee note. So this answer is false. We can use 3 7 rupee notes. We don't have 7 rupee notes. So we cannot make up to 21 rupees. Answer is false. Second one. The symbol of the euro is, one symbol is given. It is true. The symbol of euro is, that symbol, look at the symbol. That euro symbol, true. Third one, Indian rupees have the amount written in English and 15 Indian languages. Indian rupees have the amount written in English and 15 Indian languages. If you have any rupee note, take and search how many languages are written there and count. There will be English and 15 Indian languages. It is true. Answer is true. Fourth one, 1 lakh rupees and 1 million rupees are equal amounts. Is it true? 1 lakh rupees and 1 million rupees are equal? No. False. Answer is false. 1 lakh rupees and 1 million rupees are equal amounts, not equal amounts. Fourth one. Have you written fourth one? Fourth one is false. Fifth one. Gauri shells were once used as a currency. Fifth one. Cowrie shells were once used as a currency. True. Sixth one. 50 paise coins make up 25. 55, 50 paise coins, 55 make up how many rupees? 25? No. False. 50 coins only make 25. Seventh one. 4 20 notes and 2 10 notes equal to 100. 4 20 notes and 2 10 notes equal to 100. 4 20 notes means 80 rupees and 2 10 notes. 10 plus 10 20. 80 plus 20 100. True. Eighth one, 100 rupee notes have a picture of the Himalayas. If you have 100 rupee note, check and look at the note. There will be Himalayas, the mountains. 100 rupee notes have a picture of the Himalayas. True. Look at the yellow box. The symbol, one symbol is given. The symbol was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. This rupee symbol, we have rupee symbol, no, Indian rupee symbol was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. A place where the coins of a country are manufactured is called mint. Where the coins are manufactured? In the mint. A place where the coins of a country are manufactured is called a mint. As of 2014, coins below a face value of 50 paise are not in circulation. 50 paise coins are not in circulation now. It stopped at in the year 2014. Once again I will read the true or false exercise. Listen. We can use 3 7 rupee notes to make up 21 rupees. False. The symbol of the euro is that E like symbol, that is true. Indian rupees have the amount written in English and 15 Indian languages. True. 1 lakh rupees and 1 million rupees are equal amounts. False. Fifth one, cowrie shells were once used as a currency. True. What is cowrie shell? A shiny shell used as currency in the past days. Shiny shell. Sixth one, 50 paise coins make up rupees 25. False. 4 20 rupee notes and 2 10 notes equal to rupees 100. True. Eighth one, 100 rupee notes have a picture of the Himalayas. True. Look at the yellow box. The symbol, the rupee symbol was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. A place where the coins of a country are manufactured is called mint. Coins are manufactured in the mint. A place where the coins of a country are manufactured is called a mint. As of 2014, coins below a face value of 50 paise are not in circulation. That 50 paise coin is not in circulation. It stopped in the year 2014. Have you understood, students? Next we are going to the next lesson, lesson 18, games we play. Do you like to play games? What are the games you play? Name some games. Cricket, football, hide and seek. These are some plays used to play. Here we have some other plays. We are going to learn this plays. Open the page 26, page number 26. Match the names of the games. Choose their descriptions. Use the picture clues. Some pictures are given. We are going to find out the game using the picture clues. First one. Pictionary. Pictionary is a game. Listen. Answer is B. Players guess words from drawings that their partners do. The partner. If two children are playing, one draws some pictures and the other have to find out the name. Example, one student draw a picture of aeroplane picture. The another student have to write its name, aeroplane. Have you understood? Second one, monopoly. Players move around the board trying to buy as much property as possible and then collect rent from their opponents. Here the players move around the board trying to buy as much property. They have to buy some property using to turn the board and collect rent from their opponents. Monopoly. First one, Pictionary. Answer is B. Players guess words from drawings that their partners do. Monopoly. Answer is D. Players move around the board trying to buy as much property as possible and then collect rent from their opponents. Then third one, Reversive. Answer is A strategy board game with two colored discs in which players try and turn over their opponent's disc to the color of their disc. They have to turn the disc, two color disc, they have to turn the disc. Fourth one, Scrabble. Players place their pieces that have a single letter across a board to form words and score points. Players place their pieces that have a single letter across a board to form words and score points. Here the players have to form words and score marks, points. First one, Pictionary. Answer is B. Players guess words from drawings that their partners do. Monopoly. Answer is B. Players move around the board trying to buy as much property as possible and then collect rent from their opponents. Answer next, third one, Reversive. Answer is A strategy board game with two colored discs in which players try and turn over their opponent's disc to the color of their disc. Fourth one, Scrabble. Answer is C. Players place their pieces that have a single letter across a board to form words and score points. Mark the answers 3, 1, 4, 2. Students, these games, if you get a chance, learn from YouTube. Next, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the words from the help box to complete this checklist on sportsmanship. Here some sports related things are there, words are there, we are going to fill. We play by the dash of the game. Find the word. We play by the rules of the game. Second one, we always play fair. We always play fair. Fair means very nicely, very good. Third one, we do not dash. We play the entire game. Before finishing the game, we do not quit. Quit means come out. We do not quit. We play the entire game. Fourth one, we do not boast if we win. We do not boast if we win. The answer is boast. That we do not boast if we win. Fifth one, we do not sulk or get crunchy if we grouchy if we lose. Fifth one, we do not sulk or get grouchy if we lose. Sixth one, we allow others to join in a game if they ask. We allow others to join in a game if they ask. If they ask means we should allow others to play with us. Seventh one, we appreciate the other team's effort and congratulate them when they win. Seventh one answer, congratulate. If other team wins means we should congratulate. You should appreciate them. Seventh one answer is congratulate. First one, rules. Second one, fire. Third one, pitch. Fourth one, boost. Fifth one, grouchy. Sixth one, allow. Seventh one, congratulate. Students, study this lesson. Study and write. Next, today we are going to learn about two important religious places in Kanyakumari. First one, the Thanumalaya temple in Susindram. It is a very famous temple in Kanyakumari. Here is an Anjaneya statue carved in granite. Very famous temple, Thanumalaya temple. It is in Susindram near Narkoil. One famous Anjaneya statue is here. Next place is the Deva Sahayam Pillai Church in Puliyurkuruchi. Deva Sahayam Pillai Church in Puliyurkuruchi. It is near Takkalai. This church is famous for one fountain. One miraculous fountain is here. People drink water in this fountain. The Marai Sachi Deva Sahayam Pillai Church in Puliyurkuruchi. We learned about two religious places in Kanyakumari, the Thanumalaya temple in Susindram and the Deva Sahayam Pillai Church in Puliyurkuruchi. When you get chance, visit these places. Thank you.